pretty. It doesn't seem like it's focusing. I don't know why.
That was the trouble I had last time. Where are you going? Okay. Hi. You're wagging your tail?
You have a toy to play with. She needs a ball. That's what I need, is a ball. Where's my ball? How can I play with the ball? What a cutie pie. Oh, my. Hello. Hello, little rainbow girl. Hello, rainbow boo-doo-boo-doo.
Get the turtle? Look at the turtle. Get it.
Oh, I gotcha. A lot of action here. Okay.
Are you videoing?
Videoing. Where's Mr. Turtle? Oh, I got Mr. Black Dog. Yes, he's got to warm up now. There we go. Little pretty girl.
Turtle.
Mhm.
What about the bear? Look it.
I'm having nothing to do with anything right now. Just because you want me to do it. Uh-oh.
Look at it.
She hasn't been in this room, I guess. Either. Oh, she's cute. Where are you going? You leaving? Come on, leave town. There I go. I'm going to check it all out now. What's up, Potty Baby?
Stuff.
Where's your puppies? Okay, here we go. Go get your sister? Maybe you guys can play, huh? Go get Sissy. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Uh-oh. Okay, we got Rainbow on the left and Rose sitting. Hi, Rainbow. Rainbow is right here in front of my face. There she is.
You got your sissy?
Sissy. Now, here we are. Together again. Oh my gosh. Oh, bitty. Yeah, she's been in here, so she's more comfortable. Now we're waking up. Here we go. Now you can't catch me. Ha 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 ha.
Go get those toys. Go get it. Go get it. Oh, what's that? What's that?
Well, so you gotta check this all out now.
Look at that.
There's your tail wagging. Your sister's already been in here, so she's all fine with it. I'm ready to go check out some of this other stuff. Oh, there I can do it. There I can do it. I knew we could do it. Hi, you cutie pie. Uh-oh. I'm escaping. Try it over here. Oh, now you're brave, aren't you? Yes, sir. Now I'm the bravest. Yeah, we're the bravest. Oh, there are things beyond the blanket. Yeah, there's life beyond the blanket. We gotta stay on the blanket. It was the plan, don't you see? It was the plan, yes. We forgot to instruct them about the plan, Okay, so Rose on the left, Rainbow behind here now. Here we go. Rose is all warming up now. They're both pretty much similar in their personalities, actually.
Get the ball?
I'm gonna catch the ball. I'm a Tweevil. See, I did it. I'm a Tweevil. I did it. Oh, and I'm Explorer, too. Oh, now I'm gonna get my sister. So, Rose has more predominant shadings on her, over each leg and on her chest. Both of them have the shadings, but Rose's seem to be lighter and more noticeable. Overall, she's the lighter colored girl, although they're very similar at this stage. Chewed your foot? Oh my gosh, what did you do that? What did you do? Chewed the foot? Huh? I got the Blanky. Blanky monster. Blanky monster. Uh-oh, now we're going to take the place apart. Here we go. Yoo-hoo! Gonna wrap yourself up? I can't take a picture.
Help your sister.
Mm-mm. All right. Well, that should be good, I think. So this Rose with the ball. Rose likes the ball. Rainbow likes everything else. And hands and fingers. And toes. Where'd it go? You lost it. Where'd it go?